Today I am sad, a little bit mad, and I got to get something off my chest. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and we don't know each other, my name's Kerry. Nice to meet you. And I created this channel to bring you the best strategies, secrets, and hacks to grow your online t-shirt, apparel, or print-on-demand business. Today's video is a little bit of a rant because I'm frustrated. I want to address something that I see very, very often in the e-commerce community. It's something that most e-commerce sellers and business owners are not doing that is preventing them from sales and profits and growing their business. It's a very, very important piece of the pie. That thing I want to talk about today that is frustrating me and keeping me up at night that you're probably not doing is email marketing. That's right. Most e-commerce sellers are not utilizing email marketing, or they're just barely doing it. They're not consistent with it. They're not building their list. They're really not taking advantage of this opportunity that is so huge and so profitable. And today, I hopefully want to convince you and help get your butt in gear to start being consistent about growing your list and sending consistent emails to your list to generate more sales and profits. Because I believe still 20 plus years after email marketing has really been around, it's still one of the least utilized methods for increasing sales, increasing profits, increasing that revenue. And there's a reason you wake up every morning with about 47 emails in your inbox from every different business trying to sell you something. The reason is because email marketing works and it is extremely cheap to create a huge return on your investment. So that's what I want to talk about today. Now, if you don't believe me that email marketing is being neglected and people really don't care about email marketing, I want you to take a look at some of these statistics. These are some videos on my YouTube channel that I've posted about email marketing. This one right here, 6 tips to boost your email marketing, your email open rates. 120 views in about a year and a half. This one was published on February 20th, 2020. That's like nothing, okay? How about the next video? Recover more sales, talking about abandoned carts. This one has 163 views in the first about 8-9 months. 163 views. Or how about this one? Don't write another email until you watch this video, a simple guide to killer email for e-commerce. 205 views. This one is almost going on 2 years old, only 205 views. Or how about this last one? How to stay out of the spam folder. Stop getting your emails going to spam. This one has 256 views, and again, this one's about 8 to 9 months old. My point here is that I have released video after video about email marketing, tips for getting better, reasons why email marketing is so powerful, a guide to email marketing, and these are consistently the least watched videos on my channel. And that frustrates me because I know that these are some of the most valuable videos, but nobody is watching them. Now, I know I'm going on a rant here, but this is truly because I want to help you grow your business with email marketing, and I want you to understand how powerful it is to use email marketing and grow your list. Did you know that the average return on investment for email marketing is $42 for every $1 you spend on email marketing? Let me say that again. You make $42 on average for every dollar that you spend on email marketing. Now go back to your Facebook ads, your YouTube ads, your TikTok ads, and let me know if you can get a 42x return on your investment with those ads. Email marketing costs you almost nothing. You pay a monthly fee for the platform, and usually that fee goes up depending on how many people you have on your email list, and that allows you to email as much as you want. You pay one fee per month. You can email as many times as you want. And as you grow your list, you can get more and more sales out of every email that you send. Some businesses send emails every single day. You can literally send as often or as little as you want and make money from those emails. And as you grow your list, you can make more and more from each email that you send. And you can send as many emails or as little emails as you want, and you only pay that one monthly fee. Email marketing is one of the best ways to actually build connection and relationships with your audience. You can send emails for all different kinds of things. They don't have to just be sales emails, but you can ask for feedback from your audience. You can send out content. You can ask people to follow you on social media. You can do giveaways. You can run sales and discounts and promo codes. There are so many things you can do with email marketing. It's so powerful, and it is one of the best ways to build a community and build relationships. Email marketing increases your margins. because you're not paying for every sale that you get like you will with ads, and you can sell to people over and over through email, you're going to have higher profit margins when you spend more time sending emails and working on emails. So email marketing is a place where you should put more of your resources, more of your time, as opposed to just ads and organic social media and that kind of thing. Okay, this one will really get you. Email marketing has much higher engagement than social media. We spend a lot of resources and a lot of our time working on social media. We feel the pressure that we've got to post every day to Instagram and Facebook and all these kind of things. But the reality is email has a much higher engagement rate. What do I mean by that? Well, every year, it seems like all the time we're hearing about how email is dropping and dropping and dropping. But 20 plus years into email marketing, e-commerce businesses still see on average, 15 to 35% open rates. That means up to 35% of the people that get your email will actually open it and read through your content, or at least look at it. On social media, the average engagement rate is like 3% or less. If you have a Facebook business page, it's likely that only about 1% of your likes are seeing your posts. On Instagram, it might be a little bit higher, but you're still looking at 3%, 5%, super low rates of people that are seeing your posts and engaging with your posts. So this is a huge reason why you should be putting a lot more resources, time, and effort into email marketing and getting 15, 20, 25, or even 30+% open rates, as opposed to spending so much time on organic content, organic social media. Or an even better strategy, combine the two. Send an email that points people to your Instagram or your Facebook post so that you increase the engagement on social media. You can use these platforms together and increase engagement on both. Another reason you should be emailing, and a reason that I love email, is you can schedule it out and you can create automated email flows. What does that mean? That means when somebody gives you their email, you can set up automated emails that can send to them for 6 months, a year, multiple years on autopilot. Once you write these emails, they can live there forever and go out to your email subscribers, and you don't have to do any work. So I love the fact that you can not only schedule out emails. So right now, I could schedule out the next month or 2 months of emails, then take a vacation. Or I can create automated email workflows so that when somebody opt-ins, they just continually get automated emails over time. And what this does is it just gets you sales on autopilot. When you create these automated flows and you schedule out emails, you're gonna see sales increasing while you're doing other things. You can work on other things. So I love the fact that you can schedule out emails and you can automate emails to go out to your subscribers. Listen, if you're not doing email marketing right now, it's okay. You can always start right now. You know that one of my mottos is to take imperfect action. Done is better than perfect. If you don't know what you're doing on email, you feel like you just don't know how to do it, just start sending those emails. You're going to get better as you go. And if I could give you 2 huge tips on email marketing, probably the biggest tips when you're getting started, it is these 2 tips. Number 1, be consistent with emailing your list. 2 times, 3 times a week. Set a schedule, do it at the same time every week, and be consistent. Don't miss an email. Maybe mix it up and send some that are about content or content related. Maybe send them some tips for your niche, about your niche, or showing them a post on social media, and then make the other ones sales focused. So mix it up, some sales and some content. Even if the most you can do is just send 1 email per week and be consistent, please do it and just be consistent with your emails, because you will see results if you're consistent. And tip number 2 is, if you have an e-commerce business, create a simple pop-up on your website that pops up and says, get a discount in exchange for their email address. Give people a discount code or an incentive to opt into your email list. This will go a long way, and it's the number 1 strategy for really building out your email list. And maybe I'll do an additional video. In fact, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video around how to create an effective pop-up on your e-commerce website so that you can get more email opt-ins, because I love to do that video. I just want to know that you guys are going to watch it. But that's my second tip, is to have a pop-up on your website that gives a discount code or some kind of incentive for people to opt into your email list. And that is the number 1 way you can grow your email list. So have a pop-up to grow your list and send emails every single week. Be consistent with your emails. If you do just those 2 things, and there's so much more I could say about email marketing, but if you just start doing those 2 things today, I promise you will see increased sales, increased profits. And no matter how small your email list is, it might be 10 people, it might be 10,000 people, email them. Get yourself in that habit of emailing each week, only if it's a few people. I think you'd be shocked at how much better you'll get at email if you do it consistently, and how your email list will start growing and improving, and you'll start seeing, again, those increased sales and bigger profit margins. So go use email, please, I beg of you, go use email. Email marketing is one of the things that we teach in depth inside of our Shirt School Master Course. We teach all about setting up the pop-up, the nuts and bolts about setting up your email marketing platform and all of the automated flows to send to your customers. We also teach you how to write emails and how to send them consistently each week. And this is just one small portion of our Shirt School program. If you're interested in learning more about Shirt School and maybe how we can help you, whether you're brand new to this or you're already selling consistently, I want you to head over to shirtschool.com. You'll have an opportunity at shirtschool.com to watch our free 60-minute masterclass, which will teach you the Shirt School system and the pillars of why our system is so effective and how it works. And at the end of that, we'll give you an opportunity and make you a special offer to become a part of the family and join Shirt School. So if you're interested in learning more about that, just head over to shirtschool.com, give that class a watch. You'll also be able to opt into our email list. How about that? See you next week.